The ball is under the table. The toy is in the box. The boy is behind the door. The school is near my home. The boy is at the bus stop. The clock is above the door. The cat is on the table. The shoes are under the bed. The book is on the desk. The dog is beside the chair. The car is in the garage. The girl is inside the room. The bird is on the tree. The bird is on the tree. The keys are in my bag. The shop is across the road. The pen is between the books. The chair is near the window. The picture is on the wall. The baby is in the crib. The baby is in the crib. The ball is behind the sofa. The bus is at the corner. The bus is at the corner. The cup is on the shelf. The cup is on the shelf. The mouse is under the chair. The teacher is in the class. The teacher is in the class. The phone is on the bed. The phone is on the bed. The bag is beside the door. The clock is above the board. The park is near the school. The cat is inside the box. The boy is in the garden. The table is in the room. The shoes are beside the bed. The ball is between the cones. The girl is near her mother. The book is under the pillow. The car is behind the house. The lamp is on the table. The toy is inside the bag. The bus stop is near the mall. The cat is under the chair.